Amazon isn't just the world's largest retailer, it's basically the biggest company on the planet. From smart speakers and clothing to entertainment and, of course, lightning fast shipping, Amazon has become an essential part of our daily lives. But with all those orders, sometimes you might want to keep certain purchases out of prying eyes. Today, I'm going to show you the 2025 full guide on how to hide Amazon orders safely and easily. First, open Amazon on your desktop. While you can do a lot on mobile, the desktop site gives you full control. Make sure you're logged into your account, then hover over the Account and List option in the upper right corner and click on Your Account. Next, go to Your Orders and find the purchase you want to hide. Amazon doesn't allow you to delete an order entirely, but there's a smart workaround. Archiving. Click on Archive Order next to the item and it will be moved into a separate archive list far away from your regular order history. This way, anyone browsing your account won't see it easily. If you ever need to retrieve something from your archive, it's simple. Go back to Account and List, scroll down to Ordering and Shopping Preferences, and click on Archived Orders. You'll see everything you've hidden there, so nothing is truly lost, just out of plain sight. And here's a pro tip. If you need extra secrecy for certain items, consider creating a second Amazon account and shipping your purchases to an Amazon locker. This keeps your orders completely separate and ensures privacy. Hiding your orders doesn't have to be complicated, and now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this guide useful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks covering Amazon and the latest tech. And while you're here, check out some of these videos we think you'll love.